what you will learn in this course. Now, the next topic of discussion that we have here is related to learning outcomes. That are the different types of topics that will be discussed here, and as a student or a person, how we can learn financial technology. There are different new concepts that will be added here. So first of all, you can see that here we have the generative AI and FinTech that has been added here. We have added the overview of the FinTechs. Then we have our ChatGPT utilization, and for that, you can see that itself is our very larger tool. For that, you can see that here we have our customer support topic that will be seen here. Then we have our area risk management and fraud detection. Then we have our personalized financial advance. This is a very important thing because you can see that in the coming times, here we have the different legal advisories available here. And these are very advisory, and they are higher costs. We do not have any financial research, and in order to perform that, we can deploy our AI and our financial enhancements. We can also perform our different ideations through our AI. We have the different AI models where we can understand ChatGPT's basics, like multimodal functionalities, data processing, data cleaning, etc. Then we will also understand our NLP. We will get its overview and its workability. We have the specific industry-related enterprise models that will be discussed here. The next thing that we have here is our generative AI for our finance, where we have our client support as our chatbot will be included here. Then we have document generation. This is a very important domain, and just like in the last sections, here we have created sample audit reports. Then we have the financial recommendations that are actually added for our personalized financial advice, and these are interlinked here. How the same workabilities can be added here in order to get our career-based or case study-related responses. After that, you can see that we have our credit scoring. Loan approval is also added here. Credit score is also added here, that if you want to simply check the credit worthiness or the market worth over that, we will use our credit scoring. Then here we have our complete buy and great tradition that is included here. Then we have our compliance and reporting, because you can understand that here the most important thing that we have here is that we can simply work on our legal sections, and we have the different types of tax-proven data included here. So we can also utilize our AI. At the end, we have our ethical challenges. These are available on a larger scale, and for that here, we'll get our discussion and we'll get a single simple topic like we have our Coinbase website that is added here in order to buy and sell some of the online currency. So the first thing they're using is our secure platform, and security is the most important concern for the time being. So for that, we will have our data privacy. We have the ethical use of AI in our finances, and at the end, we have the AI addressing in our buys. The bias is actually added here, and we will discuss it here because actually we have a veneer topic, and for that you can understand that here we have the Gemini-provided response that organizations should work with data professionals to implement the rigorous audits and ensure that datasets are representative and free from bias. At the end, we have the different potential issue identifiers. We have the different case studies that are available in order to see how we can limit and minimize our AI tool. But since we are not working on the AI itself, and we are talking about its utilization, we will use it for online transactions, and how the AI has its link in those transactions can be completely added here. We can also create our own AI applications with its complete legalities and functionalities also.